Hi, I'm Macie McCommon, a sophomore at Cross County High School.
And I'm Ciara Stevens, also a sophomore at Cross County High School. When I first started EAST in 7th grade, I didn't really know what I wanted to do, and I fiddled around with all different stuff. I was drawing and doing graphic design and all of this, and my EAST facilitator kind of pinned me as like a videographer. He was like, just make me a video and see how you feel about it. You know, I was able to work on more projects and I got a lot better, and I got to go on a lot of trips, including one where I led a team to shoot B-roll for NEA Baptist Stuff Classic event.
Also, like Ciara, when I was in 7th grade, I wasn't really sure like what my role in EAST was going to be. And I think it was my 8th grade or 9th grade year, our school received a 360 camera, and I actually was like the second or third person to make a tour of the school. But I like really enjoyed it and like grasped on to like making these tours. And so we went to the Parkin Archaeological State Park, and I made a tour of their museum, which actually won the Congressional App Challenge. And me and Ciara worked on a project together using her videography skills and my 360 tour skills, and made a 360 tour of the food pantry. And she can tell you more about kind of what her end of the project was.
Yeah, so I gathered a younger student and we shot B-roll at the food pantry and went back and put it together. We had an interview with the food pantry facilitator and created this day-to-day life video they could show the grant committee and get a grant to expand their facility.